Good morning. Jace, Kinsler, Madison, Lincoln, Carmela, Gavin, Jackson, Lane, Ada, Mariah, Riley, Ashlyn, Raylan, Porter, Ty, Carter, Brianna, Alex, Colton, Michael, Noah, Kaylin, Logan, Jana, Ben, Braxton. Got everybody in one breath. Good morning and happy Monday. Couple announcements quickly. 4-day week, no school on Friday. So if you notice on our daily schedule, Friday is crossed off because there's no school. So there'll be no expectations for you to do any sort of schoolwork on Friday or on Monday. So let's work hard this week and then have a nice long weekend to enjoy with some time off of school. Hey, quickly, I'm going to go through our assignments for the week. So classwork at the top, go ahead and check our daily schedule. So weekly schedule, April 6th through the 9th. All right. Monday, we're going to be looking at our Monday column right here. So IDR time for 20 minutes. And make sure you're recording that in your reading log. Then you're going to go to the Google Slides, listen to the read aloud, and answer the questions. It's very similar to our reading assignment we had last week. Fractions, Google Slides, you're going to use the bars, use fraction bars to represent fractions. Then at the end of the lesson, you're going to play a fraction game, and all of the directions for the math assignment are going to be in the Google Slides. Very important you're reading those Google Slides carefully and following those directions. There's a lot of them this week, a lot of math directions this week. So make sure we're reading them all completely and really trying to figure out where we're supposed to go. Science, similar to the previous weeks, Google Slides, there's going to be a mystery science videos, and we're going to be exploring why some apples are red and why some apples are green. So for today, you're just going to watch a Generation Genius video on the Google Slides that talks about variation of traits. And we have talked about this before in Mystery Science towards the beginning of the year. For writing today, we're going to be starting an online journal. So click on the writing slides to help you figure out how to get to your online journal and what you're supposed to do. And then do one of the specials assignments from the specials assignment list linked in your Google Classroom. All right, so we looked at our schedule, and let me show you what we're going to do after we've looked at our schedule. All right, weekly writing assignment. Okay, go ahead and click on these Google Slides. We're going to read through our directions here. So you're going to start journaling this week. So every day this week, you're going to be journaling, and that's what you're going to be doing for your writing time. So watch this video. It'll kind of explain what I want you to be doing in your journal, and then follow along with day one. So go to the 3B online journal, and then read here for your directions on what you're supposed to write about. So if we go back to here, here's our 3B online journal. Click on that, and you're going to find your class number here. So find your class number, click on it. It's going to open up your journal, and then follow the directions and follow my example. All right, that is our writing assignment for the week. All right, let's go ahead and click on science. So science assignment, you're going to click on the Google Slides. Right here highlighted, we have day one. Go ahead and do day one. The second slide already says day two, so that means we're done. Day one is one slide. All you have to do is the directions, follow along in the directions right here. So super simple. All right, science is done. Reading, follow along on the Google Slides, and then I will also link our reading log for you guys to log your minutes. I haven't done that yet. So click on the Google Slides. All right, here are your directions. Go ahead and follow along with the day one slides. So if you click here, will bring you to a YouTube video of me reading the pages for today. Here is just a picture because I wanted you guys to be able to see the illustrations. And then here is your slides with your questions. Oh, this one already says day two, so you can stop. So just do the day one slides today. Remember, you can re-watch the video and re-listen to the page as many times as you need. Okay, so if you're not sure about one of these answers, go ahead and click back on the video and listen to it again. All right, that is the reading assignment. Vocabulary is not on the schedule today, so then the math assignment. Math assignment is a little bit confusing this week. It is brand new, okay? We're actually doing Google Slides, not Khan Academy, so it's going to be a little bit different, okay? So read all of the slides. So day one slide, day one slide, day one slide. Here's day two, so I'm going to go back up, all right? So every day this week, there's going to be a video to watch that's kind of going to introduce you what you're going to be doing that day. We're going to do a practice. I'm going to show you how to do one, then you're going to do some together. Then you're going to watch the video for the answers, and then you're going to do some type of game or activity on your own at the end. So you're going to watch a quick video all of the days that are kind of going to introduce the topic. Then you're going to do some work with me and some on your own, then with me again a little bit. Then you're going to go back and do some on your own. So today it's going to be a game. All right, so that's day one. Day one. All you need is on the slides. Okay, we're not going to worry about this, or this for today, or this one. Okay, we're not going to worry about these three for today. We will need this one on Tuesday, and then these three we won't need until Thursday. So math assignment is just on the Google Slides today. Then in the email I sent to our parents, I told them this, but if they didn't see it or didn't tell you maybe, all of our quizzes or our kind of Google Forms that we're going to do, I'm going to post them on Thursday. So there is a vocab quiz, there is a vocab quiz and science questions. Vocab quiz and science questions you're going to be doing. I'm going to post those on Thursday when they're due, and a cold read on Thursday as well, because I don't want you guys doing those today when you haven't even done the work yet. You're not going to do well on those. So I'm not going to post the quizzes or the questions we're supposed to answer until Thursday, so I know you've done all of the work and the activities until then. So on Thursday morning, be looking for those posted. All right? Okay. If you have questions, do not hesitate to message me on here on the stream. Don't hesitate to hop into the Google Classroom, the Google Meet, I mean, when it's up, and ask me a question. I'm here to help you guys. So like I said, comment on the stream, hop into the Google Meet when I have questions, all of those things. All right, the question I'm going to ask in the video today, because I'm going to see how many of you are actually watching the video all the way to the end. So the question for today that I want you to answer in the comments on the stream is, what is something you really, really miss doing right now? So right now, a lot of us are stuck at our houses and not able to go a lot of places. A lot of places are closed and you can't even go. So what is something you really, really, really miss doing right now with kind of everything that's going on and with what's happening? So if it were me answering the question, I would say that I really miss going to movies. My mom and dad and my sister and I, and sometimes my brother, we meet up quite a bit and go to movies at the movie theater. And that is something I've really kind of wanted to be doing these past few weeks that I haven't been able to. So that is what I miss doing with all this craziness that's going on. So tell me in the comments below on the stream, what's something that you miss doing or that you're not able to do anymore because of what's happening. All right, I hope to see some of you today, and let's have a great Monday.